Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger search conversation is not working. So what you have to do is you just have to close your Messenger application and then you have to go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then in the search bar just simply search for Messenger, tap on it, and you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Messenger application. If there is any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version. So basically you need to update your Messenger app to the latest version to be able to actually fix this problem for some reasons, because when I did this before, I updated it to my latest version, then it just fixed the problem for me. So I hope that this will also fix for you. If you just says like open for you, if it doesn't say update, well then unfortunately it might be something weird right now with your Facebook Messenger app. Maybe you can try to restart your mobile and see if that can actually fix the problem, or you can just wait like a couple of minutes or couple of hours, then try again. Maybe it's just a bug on the app just right now when you are trying basically. But yeah, this is exactly how I was able to fix this problem. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.